Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter sequence and series. Here, the first of all, we are having the deleted syllabus, sum of n terms of special cases. That is, exercise 9.4 is deleted. 9.4 is deleted. Sum of first n natural number, sum of square of first n natural number, and sum of cubes of first n natural number. So, chapter is quite simple. First two exercises are just series and arithmetic progression which you did in class 10th. So let we start. In question number 1, you are given an is equal to n into n plus 2. Exercise 9.1. First question. We have to write first 5 terms. Quite simple. Put n is equal to 1. 1 into 1 plus 2, 3. N is equal to 2. N is equal to 3, n is equal to 4, and n is equal to 5. 5 into 5 plus 2, 7 5s are 35. Question number 7 is same. The complete exercise is of just to calculate the number of terms. An is 4n minus 3. You have to calculate A17. So put n is equal to 17. 68 minus 3, 65. 24 into 4, 96 minus 3, 93. So this is just exercise to calculate you have to just calculate the number of terms. Sequence nth term is given. Now exercise 9.2 is of AP. AP, you know that general form of AP is A plus D. This you have did in class 10th. A plus 2D and so on, A plus n minus 1 into D. So nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. Sum of n terms n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. It is also n by 2 first term plus last term. Sum of n terms also. Now a new concept is in this is arithmetic mean. Suppose you are given two numbers A and B, then arithmetic mean between them is A plus B by 2. Just calculate their average. So first question of exercise is you have to find the sum of odd integer between 1 to 2001. 1 से 2001 में जितने odd integers हैं you have to calculate their sum. So 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on up to 2001. Last term is this. So quite simple. AP first term is 1, common difference is 2, nth term is 2001. So Tn is A plus n minus 1 into D. When you calculate, n is 1001. Then sum is 1001 upon 2, n by 2, first term plus last term. First term is 1, last term is 2001. Just calculate this. You are having sum of odd integers 1 to 2001. The next is question number 5. Pth term of AP is 1 by Q. Qth term is 1 by P. You have to prove that sum of PQ terms is 1 by 2P plus PQ plus 1. Now Pth term is A plus P minus 1 into D is 1 by Q. Qth term is Q plus A plus Q minus 1 into D is 1 by P. Call this equation 1, this 2. You have to solve these two equations for A and D. Just write these two equations, substitution method, minus, minus, minus. Just calculate this. P minus 1, Q minus 1, 1 and 1 is cancelled. P minus Q रह गया. यहाँ पे 1 by Q minus 1 by P. LCM लिया. It is P minus Q by 2. P Q by P. P minus Q. P minus Q is cancelled. D is 1 by PQ. D की वैल्यू किसी एक इक्वेशन में पुट कर दी तो A भी 1 by PQ आ गया. Now sum of PQ terms means PQ by 2, 2A plus PQ minus 1 into D. So just substitute the value of A and D, 1 by PQ, 1 by PQ, and calculate this. You are having SPQ is 1 by 2 PQ plus 1. Then question number 8 is given, sum of n term of an AP is PQ plus QN square. Sum of n term of AP, Pn plus Qn square, where P and Q are constant, you have to find the common difference. So first put S is equal to N is equal to 1, it is P plus Q. ये A B होता है, S1 is A, then calculate S2, 2P plus 2 square 4Q, और सेकेंड टर्म होती है S2 minus S1. You did in class 10th. तो A2 minus A1 निकाल लिया, P plus 3Q. Then the common difference is A2 minus A1. Common difference is A2 minus A1. It means common difference is A2 minus A1, that is P plus 3Q minus P minus Q. PP cancel, 3Q minus Q, 2Q. So common difference is 2Q. Then question number 13. If the sum of n terms of AP is 3n square plus 5n and mth term is 164, you have to find the value of m. Now again same, S1 3 plus 5 8, S1 means A1, A1 means first term is A is equal to 8, S2 2 put कर दिया, 4 3s are 12, 2 5s are 10, 12 plus 10 22. So A2 will be S2 minus S1, 22 minus 8 14. Now mth term is given 164. It means A plus m minus 1 into D is given 164. So A is 8, D is 6, that we have calculated. Substitute these values, m is 27. Now question number 15 is quite important. Given an plus b power n over an plus 1 plus b power n minus 1 is equal to a plus b by 2. Means you are given, this is actually arithmetic mean between a and b. Arithmetic mean between a and b. A and b arithmetic mean. So arithmetic mean means a plus b by 2. You have to calculate n. So just cross multiply, पहले 2 से multiply कर दिया, 2a plus 2b power n, then multiply a power n minus 1 into a power n minus 1 into b power n minus 1 into a, b power n minus 1 into b. Now just compare a into a power n minus 1. Base are same, power will be added. A power 1 और a power n minus 1, a power n बन गई, means a power 1 into a power n minus 1. Base are same, power will be added. A power n minus 1 plus 1. So a power n रह गया, a power n, b power a minus 1 as it is, a into b power n minus 1 as it is, b into b power n minus 1 again same, b power n आ गया, an plus bn, an इधर चला गया, 2a minus 2a power n minus a power n रह गया, 2b power n minus b power n रह गया, और यहाँ से ये दो टर्म्स रहेगी, a power b, a b power n minus 1 plus b a power n minus 1. Now एक n a पावर n इसको इधर ले आए और इसको इधर ले गए, ट्रांसपोज. जस्ट ट्रांसपोजिंग a पावर n माइनस a b पावर n माइनस 1, ये टर्म इधर ले गए और ये टर्म इधर ले गए. नाउ a पावर n को लिख सकते हैं a पावर n माइनस 1 इंटू a माइनस a b पावर n माइनस 1. सिमिलरली a b पावर n माइनस 1 एज इट इज, b पावर n को लिख लिया b पावर n माइनस 1 इंटू बी, क्योंकि बेस सेम है, पावर ऐड करेंगे तो यही आ जाएगा. Now a power n minus 1 into a minus b a power n minus 1, b a इस टर्म को b इस टर्म को इधर ले आए, इस टर्म को इधर ले गए, देन b a पावर n माइनस 1 दोनों में से कॉमन आ गया तो रह गया a माइनस बी, यहाँ से b माइनस n कॉमन ले गए तो रह गया a माइनस बी, a माइनस बी कैंसिल हो गया तो रह गया a पावर n माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू b पावर n माइनस 1. सो a पावर n माइनस 1 ओवर b पावर n माइनस 1, ये नीचे आ गया इज इक्वल टू 1. इस पूरे को लिख सकते हैं a बाई बी पावर n माइनस 1 और 1 को लिख सकते हैं a बाई बी पावर 0. व्हेन बेस आर सेम साइन इज इक्वलिटी, पावर्स आर इक्वेटेड. सो n माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0, सो n इज इक्वल टू 1. Then the last question is very important, question number 16. What is given here in question number 16? Between 1 to 31, m numbers have been inserted in such a way that the resulting sequence is in AP and the ratio of 7th to m minus 1th term numbers is 5:9. Then find the value of m. So what first line, what is the first line given? Between 1 to 31 m numbers insert करने हैं कि सीक्वेंस जो है वो AP में आ जाए. सो लेट A1 A2 एंड सो ऑन AM, ये m नंबर्स हैं जो 1 और 31 के बीच में इंसर्ट किए हैं. नो फर्स्ट टर्म इज n, लास्ट टर्म इज 31. नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स होगी m ये और 2 ये, m प्लस 2. नाउ m प्लस n जो नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स हैं वो m प्लस 2 होगी. यहाँ से आप पहले कैलकुलेट कर लो. लास्ट टर्म इज 31 इज इक्वल टू, फॉर्मूला होता है a n इज इक्वल टू a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डी. So 31 is equal to 1 plus m plus 2 minus 1 into d. So this will be on calculation 1 इधर आ गया 30, ये m plus 1 रहेगा d. So d आ गया 30 by m plus 1. अब दूसरा पार्ट गिवन है the ratio of 7th term to m minus 1th term. अब 7th टर्म जो है वो a प्लस 7d होगी, क्योंकि 7th टर्म अगर इफ़ यू कैलकुलेट द सीक्वेंस 7th टर्म जो है वो 8th टर्म हो जाएगी. इन दिस सीक्वेंस 7th टर्म विल बी द 8th टर्म, सो इट विल बी a प्लस 7d और m माइनस 1th टर्म टू दी m माइनस 1th टर्म यानी कि a प्लस m माइनस 1 इंटू d इज 5/9. सो जस्ट कैलकुलेट, जस्ट पुट द वैल्यूज, just put the values. 1 प्लस और इसी तरह से m माइनस 1th टर्म जो है वो m आप इससे एक आगे हो जाएगी, mth टर्म हो जाएगी. t7 जो है एक्चुअल में t8 हो जाएगा और tm माइनस 1 जो है वो एक टर्म अगली हो जाएगी tmth टर्म. तो a प्लस 7d और a प्लस m माइनस 1 इंटू डी, ये रेशो है 5:9 गिवन. पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ d एंड a इज 1. जस्ट कैलकुलेट, you will calculate m plus, after calculation it will be m is equal to 14. Just simple calculation. Take the LCM, m plus 1 plus 30 210 हो गया. नीचे LCM लिया m plus 1 30m minus 30 m plus 211, ये 31m हो गया minus 29 is equal to 5/9. Cross multiply, just calculate the value of m. M is 40. Thank you very much.